Back on the scene with another item, and we have another Blue by ADT wireless outdoor camera for your surveillance. Keep the home, family, kids, pets all safe. So what we're basically doing here today is just showing you the condition and contents of this box that we have here available for sale. Beautiful retail packaging. Has the outer sleeve, all our information, features, key points, and a very appealing picture of an example of how nice and beautiful these pictures come out. So we'll get right into it and open it up. Outer protective sleeve for the marketing. Nice sturdy box to protect all the contents. And we're going to show you what those contents are. And just in case we are in question, this is a camera, model number, S as in Sam, C as in Charlie, E as in Echo, 2 R as in Romeo, 0-29. The outdoor camera in pearl gray from ADT. Let's dive right in here. Take the cover right off. Well, very sorry, but as you can see, there's a little bit of distress right there. No big deal, just from coming in and out. Camera is brand new, never has been used. Protective plastic is still on, although it seems like someone did mess with it a little bit, as it is lifted off right here. But rest assured, it is still on there and brand new. So if we take out the camera, we'll see inside. There's a little box and a quick start guide as well. Mounting template. Within the contents, I'm going to slide this right out. Could let everyone know in the surrounding area that they are on camera, being recorded. Mounting hardware. USB cable, mini micro SD, mini micro USB, and the power supply box itself. All these items will come included. Please witness me putting them all back into the box nice and neatly as it came from the manufacturer. We'll start that process right now. There you have it, nice and neatly put back into the box as it fits perfectly. Nice hard box to protect the equipment. Cover goes back on. And the marketing magic of all these graphics right here on the sleeve. Put that right back on there. And there you have it. This will be the camera that you will be receiving should you be the winner of this listing. Blue by ADT Outdoor Security Camera. Thank you.